Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel, and today we are making a custom Nico, Angelo, Hazel, Levesque, and Solace from the Heroes of the Olympus series. For the first character, we have Nico Angelo. For his hair, I used Coles from Ninjago. For his face, I used the one from the Harry Potter CMF. I think it was in the Fantastic Beasts section. Then I used this bomber jacket, which I think is from Lego City, but I'm not really sure. Then I just used some skin tone hands to match the face, and these mid-black legs from Harry Potter. Then for his weapon, I gave him his Stygian Iron Sword, which is Gore the God Butcher's sword from the Love and Thunder. Next, we have Nico's partner in crime, Solace. For his hair, I used the one from Cupid from the new CMF series. For the face, I used the one from Zombie Hunter Spider-Man. Then I just used a satchel piece under this Lego City torso, because it kind of looks like his flannel and it has the orange from Camp Half-Blood. Then I just gave him some skin tone hands to match the face, and these legs from Miles Morales Spider-Man. For our last character, we have Hazel Levesque. For her hair, I used the one from Agatha Harkness from the Marvel CMF Series 2. For the face, I used the one from a Stormtrooper from the hallway, Tantive 4 hallway. Then I used this torso from some CMF series over the years because it has the purplish color underneath and then the white coat. Then I used these arms from Commissioner Gordon, but they don't quite match the skin tone, but it does show that she has her sleeves rolled up. Then I used these legs from Owen Grady from Jurassic Park, and I just used this gold sword because it kind of looks like hers. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Also, if you like this video and want to see more Percy Jackson videos, let me know by liking and subscribing, which is free, and you can always change your mind later if you decide you don't like me anymore, which will make me sad, but you know, that's okay.